We are currently in Antalya, in the old town, the old cobble streets. Still morning, the shops are not open yet. And this is a mosque. This place has a lot of shops and looks pretty. We'll go further later. A lot of artsy cafes and shops. And some historical buildings. There are not many people in the morning yet. It gets busy during the evening, and we can grab some coffee or coconut. Some old buildings here. We are doing Upper Düden Waterfall, and this is the last part of it. Nobody knows what is counting anymore.